As Bitcoin recently made waves with the approval of not one, but 11 spot ETFs by the SEC, the crypto universe erupted with a surge of excitement. But hold on to your hats, because in the wake of this crypto revolution, something even bigger is on the horizon. We're talking about Ethereum, the powerhouse behind the blockchain. Ethereum's price has skyrocketed, fueling speculation about an ETF approval that could set the crypto world on fire, with experts divided and enthusiasts on the edge of their seats. The question looms large. Will 2024 be the year Ethereum takes the ETF stage by storm? Join in this thrilling video as we uncover the facts, stats, and fervor surrounding the possibility of an Ethereum ETF. Let's dive right in. So on 10th of January this year, the long-awaited Bitcoin ETF got the green light. The SEC finally approved all these spot Bitcoin ETFs. Bitwise, Grayscale, Hashdex, BlackRock, Valkyrie, BZX, Invesco, VanEck, WisdomTree, Fidelity, and Franklin Templeton. These renowned ETF providers present diverse avenues for investors to access Bitcoin, each offering unique features and cost structures. Well, first things first, let's decode the mystery of ETFs. ETFs are basically a basket of assets, like stocks, bonds, or even cryptocurrencies, bundled together and traded on the stock exchange. They allow investors to buy and hold crypto assets without the hassle of managing private keys or worrying about security breaches. It's like trading crypto with training wheels, safer and more accessible. So yes, we're finally basking in the glory of Bitcoin's ETF approval. And even before crypto enthusiasts finished celebrating that great victory in the history of cryptocurrency, we remember that Ethereum, often referred to as Bitcoin's trusty sidekick, is waiting in the wings. Ethereum, with its smart contracts and decentralized applications, has carved its own niche in the crypto world. But here's the deal. If a Bitcoin ETF can make waves, an Ethereum ETF could set off fireworks. Ethereum boasts smart contracts, decentralized applications, and a whole world of innovation. An Ethereum ETF could be the superhero cape that takes decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, to new heights. So, can we expect Ethereum to follow Bitcoin's footsteps and secure its own ETF approval in 2024? Let's delve into the insights of industry experts, particularly focusing on Cathie Wood, who has displayed unwavering confidence in the prospect of a Bitcoin ETF. But what does her perspective entail when it comes to the tantalizing possibility of an Ethereum ETF? In a recent video segment, Cathie Wood shares her viewpoint, shedding light on her expectations regarding the regulatory landscape. Wood's stance suggests that she believes the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, is gradually assimilating lessons from the cryptocurrency industry. This evolving understanding, in her eyes, implies that the SEC might eventually extend a welcoming hand towards Ethereum.
I think that, again, just having gotten to know some of the researchers at the SEC over time, I've been impressed that they really do want to learn from us. And, I also was impressed. So Michael Saylor, I remember in the early days when he was putting Bitcoin on his balance sheet, and, I just chatted with him and said, hey, have you talked to the SEC? You really should, because you do not want to be shut down in your current form and become an investment company. And he did, and they directed him to FASB, and he did a very good thing for Bitcoin in terms of now it is not considered an intangible asset, and there will be mark to market, so much healthier treatment. So, I think they've been forthcoming in their interest in understanding both Bitcoin and Ether, and pretty intensive in their study of it. So I will, Ophelia is the odds maker on this one, but I would agree with her. It's probably a go in 24.
Cathie Wood's optimism resonates with the notion that as the cryptocurrency market matures and demonstrates its resilience, regulatory bodies like the SEC are likely to adapt and embrace innovative digital assets like Ethereum. Her insights underscore the potential for Ethereum to follow in the footsteps of Bitcoin, eventually securing its own ETF. And she is not the only one who is hoping that the crypto industry would sometime in the future embrace an Ethereum ETF. Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong says he also believes the Bitcoin ETF approval would pave the way for other crypto assets, including Ethereum, to have their own ETFs.
So, in a blog post, you say that a spot Ether ETF, can quickly follow. How soon do you think that happens? And then beyond that, is it Solana? Is it you name the coin? I mean, how do you see this playing out?
Yeah, well, obviously that's not entirely in our hands, so I can't give you an exact date, but I do think that this will hopefully pave a way for other crypto assets to have their own ETFs.
But the road to an Ethereum ETF is not that smooth. Would regulatory hurdles pose a challenge? The SEC, the watchdog of the financial world, has been cautious about crypto. Will they embrace an Ethereum ETF with open arms, or will they raise their regulatory eyebrows? Here on the Incorruptible Money Education channel, we demystify the complex world of finance, providing reliable news and a comprehensive financial literacy to you. We guide you through the intricacies of managing money, investing wisely, and making informed financial decisions. So if your goal is to foster financial independence and confidence and navigate the economic landscape with clarity and foresight, then click the subscription button and turn on your notification bell to join this community of financial enthusiasts. Well, after Bitcoin got the golden thumbs up for its ETF, the prices of Ether shot up and investors started playing the guessing game, crossing their fingers for an Ether ETF to get the green light from the US Securities and Exchange. But the SEC Chair Gary Gensler just fired some warning shots our way.
How do you think about other cryptocurrencies? People are now talking about whether there should be an Ethereum ETF and the like. Is that something you think you would take on proactively? Is that something that ultimately, in the same way that Grayscale had to go to court, does the court decision around Bitcoin to you act as a precedent on other currencies?
I look at what we did this week as it's cabined to one non-security commodity called Bitcoin. Like we've had gold, spot, exchange-traded products, and silver exchange-traded products in the past and approved in the past, this is cabined just to that one non-security commodity token.
He's got everyone questioning whether Ethereum, our beloved digital coin, Ether's ride to fame, will smoothly cruise into ETF territory like Bitcoin did. He means that the Bitcoin ETF approval is not a guarantee that there would be an Ethereum ETF approval too. But I think I'll side with Cathie and believe that the SEC would eventually warm up to Ethereum. So then when may we expect the arrival of an Ethereum ETF? Of course, as Brian Armstrong stated, we cannot state an exact date, but we know that in May this year, the SEC is set to make determinations regarding spot Ethereum ETF applications. Notable entities in the queue seeking approval include BlackRock, Invesco, ARK, VanEck, and Grayscale. Let's look forward to concluding the year with the addition of an Ethereum ETF. If it materializes, this year will surely etch itself as an unforgettable chapter in the cryptocurrency's history. So feel free to share your predictions and outlook for the cryptocurrency industry this year. Let me know what you think in the comments section. If you're intrigued by the mysteries and successes of the crypto realm, you won't want to miss our next video, Top 5 Most Secretive Crypto Success Stories Ever, where we would be delving deep into the realm of hidden crypto victories, unraveling the untold tales of individuals who invested modestly in crypto but reaped enormous rewards. So what are you waiting for? Click over and we'll catch you in the next video.